Start. Honorable members, keeping in mind the desire of the youth to be self-reliant, the Kaushal Vikas Abhiyajan was launched. Stop. Under this Abhiyan, in the last 4 years, on an average, 1 crore youth have been trained every year in different skills. Stop. In the coming days, more than 15,000 ITIs, more than 10,000 Kaushal Vikas Kendras, and more than 600 Paridhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Kendras will play a critical role in developing the skill set of the country's youth. Stop. Under the Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, which facilitates credit for professional and business requirements, loans worth more than rupees 7 lakh crore have been disbursed to the youth without any guarantee. Stop. More than 15 crore people have benefited, and over 4 crore 26 lakh first time borrowers have started their business under this scheme. Stop. Under Startup India and Stand Up India, my government has provided financial assistance to make the youth self reliant. Stop. As a result, in the world of startups, India now figures as a frontline country. Stop. Paragraph. The government has linked creation of jobs with tax incentives under Pradhan Mantri Rozgar Protsahan Yojana. Stop. Under this scheme, when a young person gets a new job, the EPS and EPF contribution of 12% payable by the employer is being paid by the government for the first 3 years. Stop. More than 1 crore youth have already benefited from this scheme. Stop. Every parent aspires for a good education for their sons and daughters so that they can succeed in life. Stop. Government is establishing new educational institutions to provide increased opportunities for professional education of the highest standard. Stop. 7 IITs, 7 IIMs, 14 IIITs and others are being established. Stop. It has been decided to enhance the amount of scholarship and fellowship by more than 25% to encourage research activities in the country. Stop. In addition, efforts are being made to further strengthen the foundation of the education system by opening 100 Kendriya Vidyalayas, Eklavya Model Avashya Vidyalayas in all talukas having a majority tribal population and 62 new Navodaya Vidyalayas. Stop. To improve the standard of education, government is following a multi-dimensional approach. Stop. To secure the future of the country, it is imperative that children still studying in schools get full opportunity to transform their imagination into concrete reality. Stop.